Welcome to your NTE Dashboard. From this page, you can access all the functions of your NTE account. You've now received an email with your login credentials. To reset your password, click on Manage Account from the profile icon on the top left of the screen. Then select Security and Privacy to change the password. To record from the dashboard, click on Record. Once you start recording, you can pause at any moment, like if there is a break during the class or if there are parts of the class you don't want note takers to consider. On the pause screen, you can either delete, keep, or continue your recording. You can also add bookmarks. This tool helps you mark down important sections so note takers know where to pay extra attention. You can also upload a recording, audio or video, by clicking on Upload Recording. Clicking Upload Recording will open your computer directory. Find and select the file you wish to upload. It must be an audio or video file. You cannot upload text files. Double-click the file or click on Open. Opening the file will bring you to the NTE Upload page. The recording is automatically uploaded and the progress bar will indicate when it's finished. Name the recording using the class name and date. This will help you keep your folders organized so it's easier to find the notes you need. Choose the subject category and subject from the drop-down list. These tags create folders for your notes. Each time you select the same category for a recording, it will place the notes in the created folder, so notes for each class are kept together. Attach any supporting documents for the lecture, like PowerPoint presentations or images provided by your professor. By adding supporting documents, note takers will get a clearer sense of the content and will be able to provide better notes. Once you click Done, the recording will be sent to a note taker. NTE will contact you via email within 48 hours, letting you know when the notes are ready. To get your notes, click on My Recordings. If you save the notes in folders, you can open the folder to see the notes within. To download your notes, click the arrow next to Notes Ready for the class needed. Then select Download Notes. Your notes save to the Downloads file in your directory. From there, you can save it to your personal folders. To review your order history and status, click on Orders. Your dashboard is your home base. Here you can get an overview of your latest recording and status, the last recording you sent for notes and the estimated delivery time, and your most recently returned notes. Now that you know how to make the most of your NTE dashboard, in the next video we'll be looking at how to use the NTE app to make in-class recording easier. For more information, contact us at note.taken@humber.ca or visit humber.ca/learning resources/note-taking services.